Welcome to chapter 2. Let's get right in so I can give you the overview of this module so you can get to work. So let's take a look at what is in module 2. Module 2 is chapter 2 from our textbook, and the topic is sets and reasoning. As you can see from the description of the module, it's often one of the most challenging. There's a lot of content in here. Be sure to give yourself lots of time to work through this and process it. There's going to be new terminology and notation symbols that go along with that terminology, so you're going to have to master that. It's a discussion of sets, reasoning, relationships between sets, operations, Venn diagrams, if you've ever worked with those. And then we introduce deductive reasoning, which is different from inductive reasoning, which was discussed in chapter 1. Once you scroll into the module, you'll see this introductory video. There is a discussion board post. This one is very open. And so it is simply asking you to reflect on the chapter, reflect on the things that you learned, and address really any of these questions, right? The 5 questions are: what is one thing you learned that you're most confident in? Provide some detail. What are you least confident in? Is there some new terminology that you find challenging to remember? Why is that? Is there something that surprised you when learning the content, and why? And what is one question that you may still have? Again, you don't have to respond to all of those, but feel free to as much as you want and provide some detail. Again, the expectations are stated below, and you can get that extra bonus point for responding to someone else's post. This is definitely a reflection post. Let me go back to our module. As we had in chapter 1, you will have a smart book assignment that works you through the content in the chapter. You can do that at the beginning, or you can save it till after you've watched the videos. It's up to you. I know that not everyone has their manipulative kit quite yet. And so what I did was I took the attribute pieces that we are using in this module, and I found the like an online version of them. And so they don't obviously punch out, but you can print them if you'd like, and then cut them out for some of the work that we're going to do. And I'll be demonstrating with some of those attributes as we work through the content. They look like this. And again, we're going to be using that to make sense of some of the content. I also have a couple of other things that you may want to print out, or you can just draw circles on paper. They are Venn diagrams, either a 2-circle one or a 3-circle one. So use those as you wish. None of that stuff is required. Going down a little bit further, I referenced this in an announcement, but I found also online, our publisher provided some PowerPoint slides that align with the content in this chapter. So there are slides for section 2.1 and 2.2. Those are there as optional supplementary resources for you. You may find them helpful as you watch the videos. Then we get to the videos, and this chapter has quite a lot. You've got several hours worth in this module, so you want to get started right away. Okay, just as before, you've got, I took section 2.1 and broke it into 5 different videos, and section 2.2 and broke that into 4 different videos. Section 2.2 also has a link that I refer to do a Ken puzzle. I attached that link here as well, so you can access it right through Blackboard. And then finally, there is the homework from chapter 2. And so that pretty much covers it. So that is chapter 2. Please let me know what questions you have as you get going and working on this. Look forward to talking to you soon.